So I'm here at the new Lasema. We're kind of checking it out. Bago na yung building nila. They have their own building.
Boss. Boss.
Ano 45?
45 po, dalawa.
Butol nga, anong 45 lang?
845 po, 845. Mga 9 na siguro.
Oh, pwede bang saktong 9 na lang daw?
845 po.
8:45 daw.
Eksaktong 9 p.m. Dalawa.
Hirap po yung decking ko, ma'am.
Okay.
Hey guys, so right now we are inside the women's locker room. And since bawal yung cellphone at the wet area, we proceeded to go to the 3rd floor where the dry sauna is. And then dun yung mga hot rooms and cold room. Ah! Yay! Thank you! Cool! Oo. Thank you. First up, let's check my favorite, which is the salt room. Hey guys, so now we are inside the salt room. There you can see Himalayan salt sa may floor, and then there's bamboo charcoal here. This is the mid-range heated room. In the old Lasema, magkaiba yung salt room tsaka yung charcoal room. In the new Lasema, one room lang yung charcoal room and salt room. Himalayan salt, which is very hot. At tapos yan na heat stroke. So right now, I am inside the clay room of Lasema. Mag-isa lang ako ngayon. It's actually 59 degrees right now. Earlier, nasa salt room ako, it was 55 degrees. And there's an Amethyst Room. Mas mataas yung degrees doon, mas mainit, ibig sabihin. This is my first time to come to the new Lasema. And I'm really excited because Chris and I comes here a lot and we really enjoy the services. I mean, the establishment is really cool. Nasa baba yung wet area niya. Wala akong sa mood mag-wet area ngayon kasi galing ako sa yoga na I'm just not in the mood. But I really love their dry sauna. And later, I will be having my massage. After hitting the 2 hot rooms, let's go to my favorite, yung pinaka-favorite ko talaga, which is the ice room. Hey guys, I'm actually at my favorite room. So this is the ice room. Puro yellow yung nasa likod. It's basically ice. It's like an igloo. Very nice. Sa lahat ng room, ito talaga ang pinaka-favorite kong tambayan. Although I still love the other hot rooms, but this is my favorite room. It stands at 16 degrees, I believe. Tapos, papalamig ka lang. And then if you feel cold enough, you go back to the hot room and then alternate lang. If you get hungry, meron cafeteria sa labas. You can order noodles and eat whatever Korean food that you like. And then sa baba, you can have your massage sa 2nd floor. I will take you there later. Tapos, meron din infrared room. Kung kulang ka sa araw, you can also go in there. For us, we had our schedule of massage by 9 o'clock. It's better for you to schedule your massage early on, pagpasok pa lang sa reception, than later, pag nakapasok na kayo sa Jjimjillbang, tas you want to add on your massage kasi mas mahal. So if you really want to get a massage sa simula pa lang, before you get your uniforms and your towels, better book your massage and schedule na your massage. Because it can get quite full during the day, even on weekdays. Okay, so I think this is a new room. It stands at 83 degrees Celsius. It's ochre hot kiln. Ito yung pinakamainit na room. And then next is the Amethyst one, which is at 77 right there. Yan. And then there's the other 2 rooms na pinasukan ko kanina. Okay, so before we have some snacks, let me just take you around the 3rd floor. So they have gym now. Last time parang wala no sa ulo. And then let's go to the cafeteria. Let's get some snacks.
Grilled egg by 3, no?
Yeah.
Ay lang sir. Drinks. May ano kaya? Boricha? Boricha. Ay, wala.
Yung tea.
Green tea. Diba yun?
Thank you. Yay. Okay, so we're having our snack. Sa likod, you can see pwede kang matulog. Yum. Now that we're full, it's time to check out the hotter room, which is the Amethyst Room. So, ito yung mga benefits ng Amethyst Room. Hey guys, so right now we are inside the Amethyst Room. Medyo foggy kasi mainit. But the room has amethyst crystals on the walls. And this is running at 77 degrees to 78 degrees. Hey, so the Amethyst Room is actually a new room for Lasema. Walang Amethyst Room before. And we are lying down. You can lie down or sit up. Ayan siya. I'm not really into super heated rooms, so let me just take you around pa here at the 3rd floor, wherein meron mga lounge area, tsaka TV area. Hangout room and smoking room. Oh, okay. This is the lounge where you can watch the TV right down there. Alright, so let's go back to the 2nd floor kasi meron din silang bagong facilities doon. So now we are entering the infrared room. As they say, kapag hindi ka raw masyado naaarawan, you can hang out here to mimic yung effect ng sunset. So I'm not really sure kung totoo yun. I think meron parang anti-aging ba yung infrared, the way infrared masks, like Neutrogena mask is working nowadays. Okay, so we're going in the oxygen room. But this is new. So these are oxygen generating tube tanks. Hello. Both the oxygen room and the infrared room are at room temperature, so you can hang out there and you can even sleep. Then you have the male sleeping room, tapos female sleeping room, and then the massage room. And we have our appointment by 9 o'clock. While waiting for our massage, 9 o'clock na, so we're here na sa massage reception, waiting for our turn. Actually, marami nagpapamassage, so yun nga, if you plan on having a massage, I highly suggest that you should book it right at the beginning para mas hindi mahal. The cool thing about Lasema is that they have free Wi-Fi, so you can actually ask for the password sa reception and you can be connected the whole time that you're here. Hey guys, so I'm hanging out outside the massage room. Para antayin yung appointment namin by 9 o'clock. Chris is taking a shower. There are a lot of new facilities here in Lasema. You should check it out. Prices I will post down below. So it's pretty much affordable. Hey! Hey! So we are in the couples massage room. And we are having our massage. Ayun, so after our massage, we stayed in a bit sa sleeping area and took maybe an hour nap before we went home. Anyway guys, I guess that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to share this on your Facebook wall if you've enjoyed it. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Thank you.